Hello! In this video, I will show you how to turn a normal slide presentation into a voiced MP4 video using the website Doigram.com. We will go step by step, from preparing your slides and the text, to generating a voice track, and finally creating a ready-to-use video file. The whole process takes only a few clicks. Once you know where everything is, let us get started. The first step is to prepare your presentation in any program you like. For example, you can create it in Microsoft PowerPoint, LibreOffice Impress, or Google Slides. When your slides are ready, save the presentation as a PDF file on your computer. If you prefer working in Microsoft Word, you can also make your slides there by placing one slide on each page and then saving the document as PDF. Doigram will use this PDF file as the visual basis for your future video. The second step is to prepare a separate text file with the narration for each slide. Create a simple text document, for example, a TXT file made in Notepad for every slide. Write the text that you want the voice to read. Keep the sentences short and clear, so that they are easy to listen to. In the next step, we will mark where the text for each slide begins and ends. Now let us see how to mark the text for every slide. Before the text for slide 1, write the tag, square bracket, figure 1 semicolon start, square bracket. After the last sentence for slide 1, write the tag, square bracket, figure 1 semicolon end, square bracket. Then do the same. For slide 2, write, square bracket, figure 2 semicolon start, square bracket. Then the text for slide 2, and then, square bracket, figure 2 semicolon end, square bracket. Continue this pattern for all slides, figure 3, figure 4, and so on. These tags are very important because they allow Doigram to synchronize the sound with the correct slide when the video is playing. Now let us move to the website Doigram.com. Open the site in your browser. At the top of the page you will see the button Free Login. With Google/Register, click this button to create your account. Registration is free, and every new user receives a starting credit. Usually this credit is enough to voice about 5 or 6 presentations. After that, one voiced presentation up to about 15 minutes will normally cost around 10 cents. But please always check the current prices directly on the website. After registration and login, you will see your personal workspace on Doigram. On the left side, there is a block called PDF List. Here you upload your PDF file. With the presentation, click Add PDF. Choose your file and wait until it appears in the list. Once it is uploaded, select it in the PDF list. On the right side, you will see 2 important tabs: View PDF, where you can quickly check the pages of your PDF, and Media Files, where all files related to your presentation will appear. Before we create the audio, we need images for the video in the workspace. Select your PDF and click the Generate button in the menu that opens. Choose the option Convert Pages to JPG. Doigram will automatically create a separate image for each page of your PDF. The images will be named figure_1.jpg, figure_2.jpg, figure_3.jpg, and so on. The number of images will be the same as the number of pages in your PDF file. If you like, you can also upload your own photos to replace some of the slides and turn the project into a voiced slideshow made from personal pictures. The next step is to create a clean text file inside Doigram. For the narration, click the green button, Add Empty TX. A new empty TXT file will appear in the list of media files. Open this file and paste the prepared script that you created earlier, including all the tags for each slide. Make sure that tags such as square bracket, figure 1 semicolon start, square bracket, and square bracket, figure 1 semicolon end, square bracket are present for every slide. These tags mark the beginning and the end of the text for each slide and are required for correct time synchronization. When you have finished pasting the text, do not forget to click Save so that all changes in the TXT file are stored. Now we can generate the audio track in the list of files. Select your TXT file and click the button Generate WAV. Below this button you can choose the voice and adjust several parameters. There are more than 50 different voices available. For example, the voice called Gita Nicolina, version 10. You can also set the temperature value, the speaking speed, and the length of the pause between fragments. For most cases, you can simply keep the default values, such as temperature 0.1, speed 1.0, and pause 0.1 seconds. If you want to test different voices, you can create another empty TXT file with a short phrase and generate several WAV files using different voices. Then, when you have found a voice that you like, you can use it for your main narration text. After the WAV audio file has been generated, we can create the final video. Select the finished WAV file and click the button Generate MP4 in the options. Choose the resolution that you need. For example, 1280 by 720. Then choose the mode Static All Figures. In this mode, Doigram will build a video from your static slide images and will play the audio track over them. This is exactly what we need for a standard voice presentation. When you start MP4 generation, a planning window will open. You will see a list of all figures, such as title, figure 1, figure 2, and so on, with time codes for each one. Usually you do not need to change anything here, because the program automatically calculates the time for each slide. Based on the narration and the audio, simply check that all images are in the correct order, and that all slides are included. If everything looks fine, click the button Continue, and Create MP4. Doigram will render the video and attach your audio track to the slides. When the rendering is finished, you will receive a ready MP4 file with your voice presentation. You can download this file to your computer, or publish it directly in the public feed on Doigram. To watch the result, simply click on the file and play it in your video player. The file size is usually quite modest, so it is easy to upload it to social networks, messengers, and learning platforms. You can use such a video presentation at conferences, in online courses, in lessons for school children and students, in business meetings, or as a promotional video for your project. Whenever you need a clear and simple explanation, a voiced slide video created on Doigram can save you a lot of time.